cage is cleaned and everything has been treated with a rust converter. Just a quick look after I've shot this video, and I put some etch prime on here. Well, this was a pain in the ass. Hello, and welcome back to my workshop. This is episode 2 of my E36 M3 GTR-LS build. I've completed now all of the restoration work, meaning I've finished sanding off all the rust, wire brushing off all the rust on the cage, which was freaking miserable. I've then done a phosphate treatment to make sure that I've killed any rust that I missed, and then a coat of etch prime on the cage, and lastly finished up all the last bits of seam sealing around the place, around the car. This one's taken about 2 weeks to put together because I actually have a day job, so I only work on this thing nights and weekends. I'm hoping to try and do an episode every week or two as I make some progress, and the next episode I'm going to be working on building panels to close off the openings in the firewall here, the rear seat, the rear deck lid, and then we'll get into door bars and all that sort of stuff. I'm only going to tack the door bars in until I'm absolutely sure I've done everything right and I've finished the dry build. So with that, I'll shoot a little bit of video looking at the cage and I'll put this thing up online. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. So, restoration work complete. Lots of finished seam sealer. Cage is complete, other than any modifications I have to do. You can see it's all been cleaned up from the surface rust that was on it, and it's pretty much complete and good to go. I have to say, don't build a race car cage and leave it for 10 years without paint on it, because cleaning that shit up was painful, figuratively and literally. But she's good to go now. Start on closing up this rear panel and the deck lid area, trunk lid area, and then onto the dry build.